Hello friends, our today's topic is difference between compiler, assembler and interpreters. These all are language processes. Compiler interpreter translate the programs written in high level languages into machine code that a computer understand, and the assemblers translate programs written in low level or assembly language into machine code. In the compilation process, there are several stages to help programmers to write the error-free codes. Tools are available. Assembly language is a machine dependent, yet the mnemonics are used to represent the instruction in it are not directly understandable by machine, and high level language is the machine dependent. A computer understands the instruction in machine code that is in the form of zeros and ones. It is a tedious task to write the computer program directly in the machine code. The programs written mostly in high level languages like Java, C++, Python, etc. are called source code. This source code cannot be executed directly by the computer and must be converted into the machine language that is to be executed. Hence, a special translator system software is used to translate the program which is written in high level language into the machine code, into the machine code. The compiler is the language processor that reads the complete source program written in high level language as a whole in one go and translate into an equivalent program in machine language is called compiler. Examples are C, C++, Java. In a compiler, source code translated to the object code successfully if it is free of errors. The compiler specifies the error at the end of compilation with the line numbers, and there are several errors in the source code. The error must be removed before the compiler can be successfully recompile the source code again. Successfully compile the source code again. Second one is the assembler. Assembler is used to translate the program written in assembly language into the machine code. The source program is an input to the assembler that contains the assembly language instructions. The output generated by the assembler is the object code or machine code understandable by the computer. The assembler is basically the first interface that is able to communicate human with machine. We need an assemblers to fill the gap between human and machine so that they can communicate with each other. The code written in assembly language is some sort of mnemonics like add, multiplication, add, mul, mux, sub, div, move, and so on. Hence, the assembler is basically able to convert the mnemonics in binary code. Hence, these mnemonics are also depend upon the architecture of the machine. Our third is interpreter. The translation of single statement of the source program into the machine code is done by the language processor and execute immediately before moving on to the next line is called interpreter. If there are error in the statement, the interpreter terminates the translating process and the statement and displays the error message. The interpreter moves on the next line for the execution only after the removal of error. The interpreter directly executes the instructions written in programming or scripting languages without previously converting them to an object code or machine code. Example: Perl, Python, MATLAB. Thank you.